Hello folks, it's me again before my microphone goes dead. Quick review on this Pittsburgh 24-inch clamp and cut edge guide. Here's the little thingamabobber here. It's made good, plastic, but it's got one tiny flaw, and I've only used it twice so far. See this? When you clamp it, this moves. It doesn't stay straight. If it was rigid, these two, this side doesn't wobble. This side has wobble in it. So when you put your saw blade on it, it kind of just, of course, that could easily be solved by putting another clamp on top of a clamp. But these, I don't think should be like this. I mean, I don't know, I'm not an expert carpenter, but I do know that if you have it clamped on a table and it's on there and it's going like this, moving, how are you supposed to get an accurate cut if it frickin' moves? So yeah, pet peeve. You have to put it clamps down nice and tight. This end clamps perfect and doesn't move. This end like has a little bit of shaky. So that's my final thing. It's made nice, they're cheap. It's got a, L budget plastic handle. It'll probably break. The rest will probably break, but could be made a little bit better. I would say this should be made out of aluminum. This should be made out of some type of metal. And this should not. It should move back and forth, but not wobble set. Like, yeah, okay, I'm gonna clamp something like this. Maybe, but I don't know. I'm not a carpenter. But that's my thoughts on this. Works, but when I put it on the oak and cut it and drew a line and put it on there, it was like moving about a 1/16 of an inch back and forth. So maybe it's not machinist quality, like a 1/16 of an inch is not much. But if you want a good cut, you want to, call down and not have it go kink sideways and then go back and be off a 1/16 of an inch. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Toodles!